With gas prices so high, we know you're looking for ways to save money. And today we're on a mission to lower your bills at the dentist. Dr. Anna Smith from Dentistry with TLC in Godfrey, Illinois is here with a few ideas. Welcome back to Great Day.
Thank you.
A few surprising ideas. I was on here, I was like, you do not do that to save money, but she does. We'll get to those in just a bit. But first, let's talk about how you can prevent kids from having to get the expensive braces in the first place.
The key really is to start early. So if we're going to try to prevent children from needing braces, we want to see them usually by age 4 or 5, definitely 6, because the key is starting early. But there are several different appliances we can use here, or a couple of examples. But we use these on children usually starting around age 5 or 6, and it helps it helps the mouth grow into the right shape. Because if the mouth is the right shape, then whenever the adult teeth are ready to come in, if there's enough room, the theory is then they may come in straight.
Now, what exactly are these?
This is called
That looks painful.
It's not. And kids are so good at these. Kids can get used to anything. So these are kind of like retainers.
Okay.
But they're just different examples of different types.
So do you pop them out?
Some
like
of them we do.
Okay.
Some of them we do. Some of them are permanent. Lots of kids have trouble keeping track of things. So if we make it permanent in their mouth and we just take it out when we want it to come out, usually it works better, and then moms and dads don't have to worry about their kids losing them.
And how long would they have to wear that?
It's different for everybody, usually about 6 months to a year.
Okay, but that could definitely prevent braces.
It can save thousands of dollars.
Now, speaking of braces, we hear a lot about these fast braces, which I had slow braces. I wish I had fast braces, and it sounds too good to be true, but they really do work in less amount of time, and they cost less?
Yes, we're seeing that fast braces do what traditional braces take 2 to 4 years to do. These fast braces are doing in about 3 months to 1 year, and saving you at least $1,000, sometimes taking a couple $1,000s off. They are not more sensitive than original braces. They actually are less sensitive than traditional braces, and they come with a lifetime guarantee. So if your teeth get crooked again when you're 30, 40, 50 years old, you can get the fast braces at no cost to you. You just buy new retainers.
Because what I hear is, well, when I was a kid, was, oh no, we have to keep them on longer, Virginia, or your teeth will just go right back to where they were. But even though you get them off quicker, that's not the case?
Right. With the older technology, that was true, but with the new technology, that's not true. It does the same thing in less time, kind of like flying in an airplane versus driving in a car.
Perfect, and save $2,000. Now this is the part where I was like, you do not do this. But she does! A lifetime warranty on porcelain crowns. So if I get porcelain crowns or fillings and they break, you'll replace them for free?
As long as you've been coming to your cleaning appointments every 6 months, as long as you're keeping that into the bargain so that we can make sure we're keeping really good track of you, we know that you're doing everything right. If your porcelain crown, your porcelain filling breaks, I will replace it at no charge.
Because those are not cheap.
They're not. It can, again, this can save you thousands of dollars in the long run.
Speaking of that, you actually set up payment plans for your patients.
Yeah, we do. We have lots of different payment options, and that's extremely helpful, especially now in this economy, for patients to get the work done that they need to have done, but spread that cost out over time so that it makes it more affordable.
Okay, and the last thing, and nobody really wants to talk about root canals, but a lot of us have to get them. Sometimes the amount of work that it takes to do root canals and those serious procedures, they can cause you to miss work, and they can cause you to have to do several visits in a row. But you have some new technology that only allows, I mean, a root canal can be done in like a day, a few hours.
Right. So when I do a root canal, it usually takes about 30, 45 minutes. At that same appointment, I'll also make your crown. Your actual porcelain crown is made, put on your tooth, so you don't have to come back to the office to finish that appointment. Typically, this would be a 3-appointment procedure. You would have your root canal first, and then you would have your crown, and then you come back to get your permanent porcelain crown. We do it all in one visit, about 2 to 4 hours in the office.
2 to 4 hours?
Yeah, rather than 6 to 12 over 2 or 3 months worth of time. So
and what is this technology that allows you to do that?
We have a machine, it's called a CEREC machine, and it allows us to put a little cube of porcelain inside the machine, and amazing technology again, it creates this perfect crown through CAD/CAM technology that is made to fit only your tooth.
Doesn't hurt?
No.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Smith. And if you want to find out more about Smith's full range of services at dentistrywithtlc.com, you can. Dentistry with TLC is located just 30 minutes from downtown St. Louis. That's in Godfrey, Illinois. Call 618-466-0733. Just call that number for an appointment. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Virginia.